basic vanilla cake. I'll show you the ingredients. This is 1.5 cup maida. This is unsalted butter 1 cup. This is sugar 1 cup. This is baking powder. These are 4 eggs, and this is vanilla essence 1 teaspoon. Friends, I'm going to pour this unsalted butter in this container and 1 cup sugar in this. And after this, you beat it up till it gets fluffy. Look. Look at the mixture. It is now fluffy. And after this, we'll add these eggs one by one and then we'll start beating it. Now we'll add vanilla essence in this mixture, and after this we'll add maida. And now we'll add maida like this. See. Now we'll add baking powder also. Look. Then I have added some vegetable oil and then I'm brushing it up like this. And then after this I put some maida. After this I shake it. Why we have done this? So that our cake won't stick at the bottom. I'm gonna pour this mixture in this container. We'll preheat the oven for 10 minutes in 180 degrees. Now I'm gonna put this container into the oven. Now we are going to bake it in 180 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes. My vanilla cake is ready.